Alright guys, M-Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be taking a look at sorting out a little problem I've got with the E46 330i, the M-Tech one. Now since I first bought the vehicle, one thing that's really bugged me is the boot. What I found is it feels very heavy when you open it up. Now although it holds itself up, it's looking like them hydraulic boot struts have gotten to the end of their life. They're not doing the job anymore, so it's going to be something that we're going to get sorted today. Now I've ordered a new set of boot struts, so let's go and take a look at the parts that we're going to be installing today. Right, so these are the boot struts that we're going to be fitting today. I've gone for the Stabilis brand. These are the OE ones, the OE manufacturer, so exactly the same as what would have come on the vehicle when it was brand new, but just without the BMW logo on there, and of course going to cost you a little bit less. They weren't bad. They weren't a bad price, these. They were about 35 bucks. And as you can see there, they're still made in Germany. Right, let's take a look at fitting these to the car. So if we take a look at the way it opens with the old struts, you can see it is quite stiff, just with the weight of the boot on them struts. Especially when you first go to open it. Just that there is, you can feel there's a lot of weight sitting on it. Right, so we're now ready to remove the old struts. So to be able to do so, they have these little clips on the end, and we're going to use a pocket screwdriver. I'll show you on the new one here, and just underneath like that, and then pop them loose. And then when we come to fit the new ones, we're going to leave these clips facing downwards, clipped in position, and you're going to want a little bit of grease in here. Now these ones do come with a little bit of grease. If the ones that you buy don't have, just make sure you put a bit of grease in there. It's going to aid the movement and stop them from binding up in the future. Right, so let's get the old ones removed. So to be able to remove the existing struts, we're going to take that pocket screwdriver, slide it in there and pop the clip out. There we go. We'll just pop off. And the same with the one on the bottom. Now we can clip the new one in, make sure it's facing the same direction as the other one that came off. So we're going to leave them clips pushed down and in, and we're just going to pop them in position. There we go, easy as that. Now I'll move on to the other side. So same again. Down the bottom. Clip the new one in, and the price for these, for the pair of these, actually worked out cheaper than getting the old ones regassed. There we go, easy as that. So super easy DIY. Right, let's check the operation. Look at that. So them new struts completely take the weight. You see, lifts up by itself on the hydraulic struts. You can see them hydraulic struts are really taking the weight of that boot lid now, whereas before to sort of fight with it and I was lifting it up. Here we go, that's much better. Now that's that sorted. Alright guys, so there we have it. That's how you go about replacing your boot struts on the E46 sedan. Now as these cars are getting a bit older, it's probably something you're going to come up against that will want replacing. It's a super easy DIY to do. So if you found the video interesting or useful, don't forget to give it a like, and make sure you go and check out the rest of my YouTube channel for more BMW E46 DIY content. Consider subscribing if that's your cup of tea. I'm M-Tech Guy. Thanks a lot for watching.